In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Westpac credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, open the Cards section from the bottom menu. But if you're using the classic version, tap Self-Serve and then tap Card Services. You'll see your new credit card listed there with an Activate Card button next to it. Tap Activate Card and the app will prompt you to enter your card details. You can either manually input your card number and expiry date, or if you have a recent iPhone or Android, simply scan the card using your phone's camera. Once your card details are in place, tap Activate and within seconds, you'll receive confirmation that your card is active. Well, that's how you activate your Westpac credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.